Shadows passing, shapes drifting by. Emotions rise and emotions fade. None of them are what I am made. The mind keeps turning, colors the view. Mistaken reflection for what is true. But behind the motion, silent and still, there is a light the mind cannot fill. I am the witness, steady and clear, watching the mind without fear. The mind receives but does not shine. The light was never born in time. I rest beyond the shifting sight, rooted in the source of light. Like the eye that sees the sun, but never claims to be the one. The mind perceives what flows within, but it is not where truth begins. Illusions form when the mind leads, chasing its wants and borrowed needs. But when it turns and starts to serve, a deeper truth begins to emerge. I am the witness, steady and clear, watching the mind without fear. The mind receives but does not shine. The light was never born in time. I rest beyond the shifting sight, rooted in the source of light. Silent presence, calm and wide, guiding thought from the inside. When the mind aligns and yields, truth is gently revealed. I am not thought, I am not form. I am the calm before the storm. The mind reflects what already is. The light remains untouched, unmoved.